Okay, so lumping has implications. Now, lumping neurodegenerative disorders by their impaired mitochondrial biology reveals what I call an entire metabolic iceberg. So we still have the top of the iceberg above the waterline here. That encompasses the neurological symptoms, the neurodegenerative regions, and the neuron aggregates. No problem, it's the same thing. And we can still diagnose and manage those as we have been doing. But there's this huge part of the iceberg that we are not looking at right now in medicine. And these are the lower levels. These comprise the 6 layers of multifaceted impaired mitochondrial biology. This is so huge, and we have to try and look at all of these levels and realize that impairments in mitochondria go far beyond just a simple term such as mitochondria dysfunction. And at the base of this iceberg, of course, why are the mitochondria impaired in the first place? Well, there are various environmental factors. Genetic factors are there too, but they're a minor player in most of these disorders, with the exception of Huntington's. I'll talk about that in a second. But these environmental factors are the things that are triggering the multifaceted impaired mitochondrial biology. These things include industrial toxins, the modern dietary lifestyle, of which seed oils would be a part of that, modern cognitive, physical, and social elements of the lifestyle, which are all abnormal to a degree. Okay, so it's useful to address the upper levels of the pyramid from a diagnostic and management perspective. We still should do that, and we can do that. But if we want to, dare say I use the word cure, or really make a strong therapeutic impact, it's crucial to address the lower levels of the pyramid, particularly the base. And if you do that, there's going to be, in my opinion, a trickle-up effect where you'll actually improve. If you improve one lower layer, you're going to improve all the ones above it, and things will keep trickling up. And of course, we want the symptoms at the top to improve the most. Okay, so lumping offers explanations to the problems created by splitting, all of them. So it explains why multiple neurological symptoms occur, and it explains why degeneration in neuron aggregates occur outside the primary neurodegenerative region, because it's all neurons, and neurons are highly metabolically active, and they have a lot of mitochondria, and the mitochondrial biology has to be efficient. So of course they're going to take the first hit when you get impairments in mitochondrial biology. It also explains why other metabolically active cells, such as skeletal muscles and cardiac cells, they take a hit in these disorders too, because they are metabolically active and they have mitochondria that need to be running efficiently too. And finally, this approach, which the thing I love about it the most, is it facilitates systemic restorative therapies. It says we can't target this particular region of the brain or this particular symptom. We have to restore the whole brain and body. This is a systemic disorder. So we need a therapy that actually works on the whole system, the whole human body. So lumping more accurately portrays these neurodegenerative disorders as widespread multisystem disorders, and widespread multisystem disorders need systemic restorative therapies. It's not about targeting and eliminating. So almost all the research studies that are being done right now, I don't think they're going to work.